Hi everyone, this is Aleli, and today we're going to make a Chibi Keychain. Unfortunately, not everyone can draw like these keychains, so unfortunately there is an app called FaceQ. So all you need to do is just make an avatar. So for this one, I'm making an avatar of my favorite Taeil from NCT 127. So I'm just going to copy his features onto this avatar. Sadly, there may be times that you won't be able to find your idol's nose, ears on this app. So all you need to do is to make some adjustment, like Taeil. Taeil's smile is not turned up and it's not here. So all you need to do is to make an adjustment when you are actually tracing it on your Shrinkadinks. That goes the same with the outfit. So in the Touch music video, Taeil is wearing white undershirt and white shirt. So we are just going to choose this style and then color it white later on. Next, send this to your computer and then have it printed. In printing these images, I didn't use Photoshop. So all you need to do is print 4 images that will fit in one piece of paper. The printouts might look big, but that's okay. Eventually, these images will be transferred on our Shrinkadinks. This sheet usually shrinks 50% of its original size, so it's going to be small later on. So now let's go ahead and trace the images onto our Shrinkadinks. Use Scotch tape to secure them into place. First, let's trace the image, preferably using a skin tone pencil. Make some adjustments, like what I'm doing on Taeil's ears. Also, Taeil's smile. Then, fill in the rest. I'm using a pencil to fill in the sideburns. Next, fill in everything else with markers. Use white pen on the white of the eyes and teeth. This is kind of hard actually to do. It's turning up well. Lastly, color his jacket white just like on the Touch music video, and then let it dry. Next, let's trace the outlines like the eyebrows and eyes. If you make a mistake, you can just scratch it off using the tip of a cutter. Now it's time to color the hair. Don't you worry if there are some spaces left, because once it shrinks, the spaces won't be seen anymore. The white paint already dried, so all I need to do is to complete the details. It's almost done. Okay, so I'm going to use a compass to trace a circle around it because I want a circular keychain. Make some adjustments with the details. Next, draw a rectangle on top, so that's where the hole will be punched in. Okay, and then continue with the rest of the adjustments if necessary. now it's time to cut it out. Next, let's bake it according to your package's directions. Place a paper on your tray, your shrink-a-dink on it, then put inside the oven toaster. Tip, always preheat the oven before putting your shrink-a-dinks in so that the shrink-a-dink will turn out even. Done! Okay, so now use the bottom of a glass to flatten it out. Okay, looking good so far. Second to the last thing to do is apply UV resin. Just pour in the needed amount on the surface of the shrink-a-dink product and then use a toothpick to spread it out. And be careful not to touch it because I think it's still a hazardous substance. Use two toothpicks and just make sure to remove the bubbles, okay? I don't think you'll be able to remove everything, but just make sure that they're not too obvious. And make sure you don't put UV resin in the hole we punched in earlier because that's where we will insert the metal ring for our keychain. Done! So we just have to leave it out under the sun for an hour to dry. Alright, it's all dry now. So the last thing we need to do is to put on the metal ring so that we can attach it to a keychain. Yay, completely finished. Oh, look how cute it is. I'm not gonna say that it looks like Taeil, but you can see the semblance, right? I also made others like Jennie from Blackpink and then Tori from One OK Rock, a Japanese group. And then Jonghan from 17. So cute. And finally, let's attach it to my wallet. I'm sure it will look good. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it inspired you to make your own keychain. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!